Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Spring Hill, Florida. And I have smear tools and little acetate tools. I need to make a video, I will. And a pie cutter. And I've got a part 1 that I then went on to attempt at part 2. And what I'm thinking is that I'm just going to play with this. I've got some Meeden black paint, and I want to do some odd shapes and smear things through and see how that works. And that's really strange because that's usually the best coverage paint that I know of, but right now not so much. So that's kind of cool, actually. I'm having a good time. I wasn't expecting that to be something that made me happy. But I'm kind of liking the black, and that makes me just want to play some more. There's some Anita's white metallic. I've got some folk art color shifting red, or it's a red pink. Oh, I should have been careful of that. That might not be the best. Let's use a little bit of hot orchid. And this will give me a good foundation for doing whatever I do to fix it, because it's not really making me feel like it's going anywhere that I really want to go. But you never know until you try. And that gave me the idea that I like that hot orchid with that color I call Velveeta, which is actually a color that when you can buy that color, it's called Dairy Lid. At least it was from a Liquitex. So I'm going to take some of my white paint, Meeden white paint that I made up, and I'm going to throw some of my colors in here. And I might split the difference, since you see I'm making a U shape. That's my plan, is to play with these colors. And I'm going to grab some Amsterdam black that has some pre-stained wood conditioner in it. I'm also going to grab a palette knife. Put some more paint on there. I might be tempted, and I am, to put some hot orchid right in there. I might want some hot orchid right up there too. I have a little more Amsterdam white, and it had cell activator in it, and it's not serving me any purpose, but I think that if I use the black with it, it'll probably work. No, I don't want to do that right now. I need the black. I'm hearing purple from my muse, and I don't have any out. I've got some amethyst from Artist Loft that I really like a lot, but it is not open, so give me a moment and I will open it. Oh, paint chip. And I've got it open. I think I'm going to give myself a little more of that white right there, so I can add another smear, and right here. Actually, even more of that. Let's do the purple here and there. I want some dark purple. The hot orchid here. Maybe a little bit of that red. I don't think I'm going to see much of it. I'll wipe off my palette knife. I was thinking about just trying one with all small palette knives. I might like this a lot. I'm definitely liking playing with the color combination. I want to play with adding some paint that's not white and see what happens. And if you need to ask me a question at any point in time about what color I used, feel free. I think I want some more. I wish I hadn't put the top back on that, because that's good to use this up. That's that Amsterdam white. Not as many impressive cells for sure, at least not yet. So that's interesting, and all I want to do is get rid of those circles. And I've got a little bit here. You'd think that Amsterdam white would be a great base for making cells, since it too has the pre-stained wood conditioner in it. That's some Decor Americana 24 karat gold. This is a Modern Masters Venetian blue. I have wanted to give myself permission for a while to just do the colors as I go along. So far so good, and I am liking this. This is fun. I'm going to grab and snag a little bit of that black paint because I can, and it's right there. That's the name of my first book on the Amazon link, by the way. I like the things poking through the back, peeking through the background. I'm going to keep using that white because I can. I'm going to lay the orange right down next to it. Actually, that's the red. Let me grab some orange though, since I said that. Part of me wants to grab that big trowel. I definitely want to keep wiping off my spatula, my palette knife. Okay, so that did not cover up what I was hoping to cover up, but that's okay, because I'll just add more paint. And I'm getting someplace that I like a lot. The texture in the background is wicked cool. Yeah, no, I don't usually say that. It's wicked cool. Can't tell I hung out in Maine, can you? Sometimes I feel like blowing out a bloom, like in my airbrush is right to my right, your left. And I could easily do that. I keep threatening to grab the dioxazine purple. But guess what? It's clogged anyway. I kind of want some white here. I'm not sure what I'll do with that. I could blow it out pretty easily. I definitely want to see what this... I think I might put some Prussian blue with the purple down here. That's a thought. Right now that... Really? I just cleaned you out. You can't be plugged. Maybe it's at the top. Oh yeah. I got buildup at the top of my opening. Darn. Okay, well, I kind of want to blow on that. But in for penny, in for pound. I know I say that a lot. We'll just do that. And I'm going to use my original white. Shuffle some of it that way. Wipe it off. I said I was going to grab some Prussian blue. And it's not open either. Go figure. Well, maybe I'll just use the one I thought I was going to use. I'm liking the turquoise. I want some more of that Venetian blue. I don't really want to do it without the purple. I really love my purples. One more attempt to open a bottle. Nozzle. That one's just completely caked in there. Evidently, I do not use an awful lot of Prussian blue. Thank you for bearing with me. I don't think it's going to work. I just don't. I want that Prussian blue. Prussian blue will often make cells. I like that the puddles spread out. And I really want some purple in there. Some light purple. So, do I want to do it? Yeah, I kind of do. Let's just... There's what I've got. And that is something, even as I drip, this is kind of mucky here. I'm not sure I like that. But that might lead me to do something very orange or very red orange or very combination red, orange, and yellow-ish. Velveeta. I'm not sure I can do that without giving myself the pink. The Hot Orchid from Color Art. Also, I have another tool here that isn't gunked up, I'm going to use. So that's the end of that painting. I have 93,000 subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you're not new, thank you for still being here. I'm going to grab whatever I can get off of this. Silicone hair tool. You can find it on my Amazon link if you're looking. This one might need a frame. The edges are not going to match. I like this. It reminds me of a bunch of my others, but I like those, so I'm good with it. Alright, so what did I not tell you? I didn't tell you anything. I have a link tree, which is the first blue link under the video. And it has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, my brand new Legallerist. I think I want... Yes, I do. Some Hot Orchid right there. Love that Hot Orchid. Okay, so I've got a few things showing through from the background, and I smeared some black over them and calmed them down some. Not that they were all that bright to begin with, but this is it. I'm done. I'm going to try and zoom in. Check out my Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. I think I might have said that. Check out my over 19 lists of 100 videos. And they're also organized into topic and genre, so if you can't find something you're looking for, ask me. I have all the links saved. If you have questions, please ask me in the comments. If you're interested in a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida with me privately, my email address is below the video underneath Show More. When you click Show More, you'll find it. Also under Show More, you'll find my paint pouring recipe. And my email address is a good way to contact me if you're interested in purchasing an artwork. This one might be a good one. And in order to purchase an artwork, if you're watching an exhibition video, you just need the date of the exhibition video and the time. And if you're looking at a video and you want that artwork, or you want to have it reproduced in Fine Art America or Pixels.com, or on Teespring clothing below the video, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, you can mention the file number in the title of the video. Should I do that again? Can I even... Is my camera even focusing these days? I wonder. I wasn't sure in the last video. There's a lot going on in this. So I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And when you watch the videos all the way through, you really help me out. If you share, it's a big assistance. But watching all the way through is the biggest assistance of all. I have 2 books on the Amazon link where if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you, and it eventually helps me buy art supplies. It takes a while, but it does help. I really appreciate you shopping there. Thank you so much. My 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. There are great tools, great paints, and lots of stuff to see on my Amazon link. So I will see you guys anon. Thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Look on the lower right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner when you go there, and you will find my PayPal and Patreon icons. And should you happen to be somebody who can afford to help support the studio in the production of videos, and you make a donation, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and the monthly drawing prizes can be seen on the exhibition video of that month, on the end screens of any video in the last 20 seconds. So, you guys know I love you, and I'll tell you one more time, I love you. Remember to ask questions. If you want to know what tomorrow's video is like, what it's going to be, look on the community board on my YouTube channel banner, or go to Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, the Facebook group. I love you guys. I know, I keep saying that. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.